The crepe myrtle tree is a fast-growing tree or shrub that is said to have come from the Far East, India and Australia. They thrive best in temperate climates and come in sizes ranging from a 3-foot shrub to trees well over 50 feet tall. You can expect the average plant to be over 30 feet tall. There are at least 50 different varieties of myrtle, and the colors range from a deep purple to shades of red to white and every shade in between. They generally have light colored bark that sheds off during the winter months. The Japanese variety has a darker leaves and bark that help it to be more disease resistant. It is also more resistant to colder weather, and this is allowing it to become more popular for commercial landscaping and garden decor. This is an example of a most desirable blooming tree. It can have blossoms on it constantly for over 3 months. You can also plant a seed in the spring and enjoy the flowers that season. These plants are very fast growers and easy to care for. These plants can grow in nearly any soil. They do not need special treatments or addages to the site you select. They require only a sunny, moist, well-drained spot, and they will flourish. You must be careful not to allow the ground to become soggy though. This can damage the roots and cause molds and other diseases to happen. If molds do appear, they can be easily controlled with an organic spray used on the underside of leaves. Minimal pruning is needed for these plants. Too much will cause damage to the silhouette of the tree and can cause it to start growing bleeders from the base of the plant. When this starts to happen, it generally cannot be stopped and causes extra work for the gardener. The larger varieties of this tree can be used for lumber purposes. They have been used to build bridges as well as to create beautiful furniture. The wood has been proven to be strong as well as pliant, and the uses for it are expanding. Another notable use for the timber is sleeper cars. The texture of the wood is so smooth and silky that it makes this one of the most appealing options. A major benefit of this tree is found in East India, where silk is made from the cocoons of caterpillars that prefer to dine on its leaves. The silk is called tussar silk and is a very important part of life in India. The beautiful saris that are worn as traditional costuming among East Indian women are made from this fabric. It also is used for other clothing and crafts. It is considered a wild silk, and the consumers view it with high regard. Crape myrtles are a very durable plant or tree that thrives in temperate climates and have many uses beyond being beautiful. In most settings, they can be found to be a multiple-stemmed shrub and have been cultivated into single and dual-trunk trees. They are easy to grow, and with some moist soil and good drainage, they will give you years of pleasure in your yard or business.